Hello friends, and this is my second tutorial on the Java tutorial series, and in this tutorial we'll be going to see how the execution of a Java program takes place. So let us begin. Now first we should save a Java program with .java extension. So whenever we run Java using the Java compiler, we call it JAVC or Java C. I call it Java C. Okay, so that Java compiler, that Java C first runs the .java file. We can call that file as the source code. Then the Java compiler converts that file into a .class file. It converts that file into a bytecode. So bytecode is a different type of code. We can compare it to the binary code, but it's a different kind of code. And this code actually doesn't belong to any particular operating system. Wherever you will put it, it will just run to the Java virtual machine, and then our running program, we can say our software appears. So first a .java file goes through the Java compiler. The Java compiler converts that .java file into .class file. And remember, the class which is present in the .java file, so that class the name of that class will be also the name of the .class file. And suppose if there are 4 classes in a .java file, then 4 .class files will be created, each of with different class names. That is, suppose the first class is my class, the second is my class 2, the third is my class 3, and the fourth is my class 4. So .class file for all these names will be created. And also Java virtual machine JVM, which is present in the Java runtime environment folder, is a must, is compulsory to run any Java program in a computer. So this is it for this video, and in next video we will see how to install Java in a computer, and we will learn how to execute our first program. So bye.